Welcome to the Cornwall at War Museum, an extensive museum in 21 different buildings covering all three services from the First World War to the present day. Now, I'm going to tell you about one of the ongoing projects we have at the moment, and that is this replica Spitfire. It's a full-size fiberglass replica, and to cut a long story short, many years ago we commissioned it to be made, but the firm went bankrupt halfway through, so we have more recently ended up with lots of bits instead of a completed Spitfire. So we've got the fuselage, the wings, and boxes of bits. Luckily, among our volunteers, we have a man called Bob, and he is brilliant, and he's been working on this. He's got the propellers done, the canopy's now fitted, the internals being fitted out, and he calls on help from the other volunteers as and when required, particularly Andy. And in the not too distant future, we'll be fitting the wings. We will then paint it up, and it will be on display in the museum instead of in the maintenance yard where it is now.